This is our seated row, or sometimes it's commonly referred as the compound row. You're going to target the back, the major muscle group of your back, as well as secondary. You're going to target your rear delts as well as your bicep. Of course, you need to adjust the seat. Below here, you can either go lower or bring it up higher. It's depending how you want to target the back area. Then the middle area here, you need to adjust to extend it further away, depending how long your arms are, to reach the handles to perform this exercise. And then lastly, we would have to adjust the weight as you get on to your desired weight and then perform the exercise. So in order to perform this exercise correctly, first everything is adjusted before we're on. Make sure it's right, the right level, length between your arms and the handle. We've already adjusted the weight, the seat, again, so we are ready to perform this exercise. We will grab the handles. You want to throw your shoulder blades back, kind of throw your chest forward a little bit, and you will pull back your elbows past your back. Then there is a pronation grip where our thumbs are facing each other. Again, same thing, you will drive the elbows back. Each grip, you're just going to hit the back a little bit differently. And then of course there is a supination or a reverse grip. Well, again, we're going to do the same exact movement pattern, driving our elbows back. And then a couple things, added things that you can do here. We can do a twist. So we start in pronation, but then we end in a hammer grip. Or we can start in a hammer grip and then end in a pronation. Just a little kind of tidbit, kind of different way of hitting the back, different areas of the back as well.